Glad you could stop by and watch my video for today. Hope everybody's having a great day. Today we're going to be doing the unbagging of the Ipsy Glam bag. This is a $10 sample subscription. You get 5 samples and a cute little makeup bag. This is $10. Ipsy also has the Ipsy Plus, which is $25. It's the mama to the baby. So Ipsy offers both of these. You can either keep both of them. Once you get onto this, you can switch to this and cancel this. I get both. So today we're going to go ahead and open this one. Now, like I said, it is $10 a month, and it is sample size items. And on the second of the month, you can do add-ons every month on the second. I think that it opens at 6 a.m. in the morning. I'm going to start off with the sample or the add-ons that I purchased this month. First of all, I purchased the Luxie 110 small contour brush. This is my first one like this. I do love Luxie brushes. It is soft and is the perfect size to actually contour with. And everybody knows I have an addiction to brushes. So the second thing I put on there was another brush. This is the Firma 204 brush. It is a blending brush, eyeshadow brush. I do have a couple of more of these brushes. I have the 102, which I use for my bronzer, which is why it is dirty. And then I also have the 103 that I use for my blush brush. But in today's, this is the one that I added on. I also turned in my first time of doing my Ipsy points and got an eyeliner. The next thing I purchased for my add-on was the Ooh La La, if it will focus on it. Okay, well, and I'm holding it upside down, so that always helps. There you go. It is the Ooh La La. This is by The Balm. It is called What's the Tea? And it's just a cute little brown contour, brown transition shade eyeshadow. I thought the cup of tea was just cute, so that is why I went ahead and added that on. That is the color of that eyeshadow. Like I said, it will make a great transition color. So these were my add-ons for this month. Now let's go ahead and get into the bag. The bag for this month is green. It is the water resistant. It does have a peach zipper along with the little tassel, as always, and it says Ipsy. So let's pull out the card first. The theme for this month is Dive In, the same as it was for Ipsy Plus. It says summer is in full swing. Let's soak it up with dewy skin, beach babe waves, and shimmering budge-proof makeup looks, guaranteed to keep those chill poolside vibes going all month long. Hashtag Ipsy Dive In. Then on the inside, it tells you everything that you received in your bag. So I'm just going to pull things out and go over them one by one. And there is, and the inside is also that peach color. And there is no eyeliner in here. So when you turn your points in, does it come in the next bag? Do they send it separate? If anybody knows, can you comment down below? Or I guess I could always email Ipsy, but if one of y'all know, that would be so helpful. The first thing I have in here is by Red Earth. This is a brightening concentrate oil with Kakuta Plum. The tip is massage a few drops of this oil onto a freshly washed neck and face. Upward in a circular motion. Store at room temperature. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I am about full of brightening and vitamin C, drops, serums, creams, the whole 9 yards. This does have a safety plastic on it, so you have to be smarter than it. And maybe I can get it open. Okay. So this is what that looks like outside of the box. Like I said, it is by Red Earth. And it is a concentrate oil. And it smells like vitamin C. So that is that oil. As you can see, it is very much an oil. Get my little nasty rag that I wipe my hands on. So the next thing we have is the BRTC Vitalizer Sleep Mask and Pore Tightening Sleep Mask Set. I've never used a face mask that you actually sleep in. It says customized skincare products for all different skin types is BRTC's mission. And this set of masks does the work while you dream. Reach for the vitalizing mask to moisturize, refresh, and boost radiance, or the pore tightening mask to refine pores, brighten, and even out skin texture. The tip is to apply one mask evenly to cleansed skin, avoiding your eye and lip area. Leave it on while you sleep, rinse it off in the morning, and follow with your usual skincare routine. Now, I don't know about sleeping in a mask. That's just a little weird. If anybody else got this item and has tried it, can you comment down below and let me know your thoughts on it, if it actually stayed on. I do have one of the little silicone face mask holder honor things, because when I do my skin or my sheet masks, I still like to be up and portable, not laying down, so that the thing does not slide off my face. So if you know anything about this or have used it, tried it, let me know in the comments. The next thing we got was the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. The British beauty brand Ciate is known for creative, unexpected products that encourage you to flaunt your unique beauty. To hydrate, refresh, and prep your skin for makeup, smooth on this watermelon extract infused primer. It'll boost your glow and help your makeup last longer. The tip is dot pea-sized amounts of this primer onto your forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin. The watermelon infused black beads will dissolve into your skin, then blend it evenly all over. So if you can see in there, sorry. If you can see in there, there are little black beads all the way through it that apparently will dissolve, and I was happy to get this. There is no safety seal, which I'm not a big fan of, but there it is, and you can see the little dots right there that will dissolve into your skin. And it does have an amazing watermelon smell to it. And I know I look naked. I do have a shirt on. It just sits rather low. I always worry about that when I'm on here with these little shirts on. But I do have clothes on. The next thing is by The Balm Cosmetics. This is eyeshadow in He Said, She Said. Aside from cool creative packaging that screams girl power, the Balm's known for quick fix products that are easy on your wallet. This shade is a versatile shimmery lavender that lasts for hours and can be worn wet or dry all over lids or as an eyeliner when wet. The tip is use a dry, fluffy eyeshadow brush to blend he said, she said all over your lid and up towards your brow bone. So when you open this one, it looks like a jug of sweet tea. It is a shimmery lavender color. It is very pretty. And that did not swatch the best. But there is that color. It is very pretty, very metallic looking, and will be a great topper to your looks. And then the next thing we have is me dropping my towel, so let me grab that. And then the last thing we have in here is from Pacifica. This is the Bronzer Blush Duo. It does come wrapped in bubble tape, bubble wrap. And it says, the award-winning Pacifica is a brand that nurtures a passion for natural beauty with vegan and cruelty-free products. These buildable blushes and bronzers made just for Ipsy will give you a sun-kissed look and rosy sheen in seconds. Plus, the compact has a handy mirror on the back. The tip is blend the bronzer shade where your skin needs some warmth, like your temples, hollows of your cheeks, and décolleté. Apply blush in a swirling motion onto the apples of your cheeks. So that's pretty cool that Pacifica made a palette, bronzer blush palette, especially for Ipsy. I do like it when companies actually make things for these certain subscription boxes. So when you open it, if you can open it, this is what that bronzer and blush look like. And then of course on the back is the mirror. And of course they stuck a sticker to your mirror, which I don't understand why, but nonetheless they did do that. So let me figure out how to open this. That is what it looks like when you open it. It is a very cool tone bronzer and a very peachy looking blush. So there is the bronzer and there is that blush. So they are very subtle, pretty colors. I do see a shimmer in that blush. So if you are not into a shimmery blush, this is probably not the blush for you. As you can see, I did it again right here. And you can see the sparkle. So that's a pretty cool little palette, very travel friendly. You don't have to take a blush palette and a contour palette with you. So we got the bronzer and the blush, the Watermelon Burst Primer, the sleeping masks that I'm worried about, the Balm Cosmetics eyeshadow in He Said, She Said, and of course some more brightening concentrate oil. And that is what I received in my Ipsy Glam bag for this month. And a reminder of the bag is this. This is what it looks like. It is it's cute. It's not my favorite bag, but it is cute. So comment down below. Let me know if you got some of the same things that I did, what your thoughts were about them. Did you like the things that you got in your bag this month? Are you going to use the things that you got in your bag this month? Also, like I said, I'm going to start doing the what I'm wearing on my face. I am wearing the Jawbreaker palette in Gumdrop. I'm actually wearing Cone and Gumdrop. And then in the mini breaker, I am wearing Purple Punch with this Oral as my shimmer. I wanted to go really purple today. I even matched it with my Jeffree Star Granddaddy Perp. So that is my look. I think it came out rather pretty. As far as this palette, I do have a collaboration coming out, so stay posted. On the 26th, this video will go up. If you would like to see that video, that is the day that it will go up with my collab. It is my first collab, so I'm very excited to do that. But that's the end of our video for Ipsy Glam bag for this month, for July 2019. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Either way, it does help my channel. If you have not subscribed, please do so already. Come join the family. I'd love to have you. And until the next one, you stay beautiful and have a great day. Bye.